This video is created to better understand the article, PV design, PV diagrams, automatic and worry-free, etc. from PVSOLARSIM.com. Just for info. Okay, what we see here is a PV system connected to house, right? We don't like anything from here. Even if we put fuses. What do you think it is? Well, you guessed it. We don't like that the system is not fully automatic. More precisely, the main electrical network is not connected to the inverter, so when we run out of electricity from the batteries or from the sun, the system will shut down instantly. Which is not good for the appliances in the house. So, we recommend an inverter capable of switching from the PV system to the grid, and vice versa. When solar panels will power the PV system, the inverter should switch again to the PV or partially. The network will have to be connected to the inverter, and if it is not possible, a generator, if you want not to endanger sensitive appliances. Let me explain the electricity route and the intervention of the city grid. Follow the green arrow that indicates that the current generated by the solar panels and enters the inverter. This is where the miracle happens. It transforms from a direct current, DC, to alternating current, AC. And it will change the energy from what your panels can produce to 110, 220 volts, or higher, then to your consumers in the house. So far everything is fine and dandy. But what does the system do in the event that the night comes, for example, and all the current from the batteries runs out? It passes through the city network. Now it works only from the city network. But, in the morning when the sun rises, it will supplement with what it produces, easily, volt with volt, until the energy produced is equal to the energy consumed, and then it will change again to the photovoltaic system. This is how a quality inverter should work, and in this way the economy is maximum. We hope you understand, but if not, or I made a mistake, please use the comments to see together what we can do, no problem, because we are humans. We wish you as much production and economy as possible. Together we save the lives on Earth that can die due to pollution. We practically contribute to saving our dear planet.